OMG. OMG. OML. Oh my Gucci. Oh my Prada. Oh my Louis Vuitton. Alright, so have you ever come across that kind of situation where you are always surprised or shocked after hearing some kind of news? Okay, let it be a good news or disastrous news, any kind of news, alright? So when you were in that kind of situation, you are always being considered to be taken aback. Taken aback. Alright? Taken aback is our expression that we're going to learn for today. Alright, firstly, what is the meaning of aback? Aback means that you go a bit behind. Alright? So when you hear a misfortune, a bad news about something, you will always go like, what? Seriously? Okay, so that is taken aback, means that you are surprised or shocked over some kind of news. Okay, so can you understand taken aback now, or do you want me to keep on doing the exaggerating move of taken aback like this or that? Okay, alright, so that is taken aback, surprise or shock. Okay, I'm still trying not to use alright. Okay, that's all for now. Please don't taken aback after hearing the news of you, of me getting married anytime soon. Okay, that's very awkward, isn't it? Alright, never mind. Bye-bye.